Are you interested in snagging a bonus at MISTERBETS? Great! Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll show you how it's done. Let's dive in. First, you'll navigate to the MISTERBETS website. Once you're here, hit Registration. On the left-hand side, you'll see the option to choose your bonus, whether it's for the casino or sports. Now, on to the next step. After picking your bonus, select Own a Click. Here, you'll input your country and currency details. Don't forget the most important part. In the Promotional Code field, type in MISTERBETS to activate your bonus on the first deposit. Once that's done, hit Register and breeze through the CAPTCHA. Your registration info will be securely stored. For added security, you can choose to enter your email as well. Next up, click Make a Deposit. From there, select your preferred payment method. With over 70 options, you're sure to find one that suits you best. After completing your first deposit, your bonus, whether it's for sports or the casino, will be ready to roll. It's as simple as that. Thank you very much for watching the video so far. I hope it has been helpful and assisted you in resolving your query. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We post updates about MISTERBETS every day on this channel. Thank you, and see you next time.